Hi lovely viewers, today's recipe is very easy but yummy. We only need 2 to 3 fresh mushrooms, a slice of a vegetarian ham, a pack of a silken tofu, a medium-sized tomato, and some ginger. Next ingredients: mushroom sauce, soya sauce, white pepper, salt, and tapioca flour. After rinse, let's peel off some of the brown skin of the ginger. Crush them. And then slice tomato into 8 to 10 pieces. You may slice them into cubes too. It's up to you. And then thin slice the ham. You may put more if you like it. Next, let's take out the silken tofu. Be careful, don't hurt your fingers. Cut them into big chunks. Alright, all fresh ingredients are already set. Now I'm going to dilute 1 teaspoon of tapioca flour with 4 to 5 teaspoons of water. Just mix them well. Next, heat up cooking pan. Drop 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. Let it heat for 1 to 2 minutes. After it is warm, fry the ginger. Stir fry till they are golden shiny. And we may put in the ham, a little stir fry until you see their color change and fragrant. Drop mushrooms. Stir fry again. When you see the mushrooms are already coated with oil, you may drop a tablespoon of soya sauce. I have to switch off my chimney. And then now we are going to drop tomatoes down. Stir fry a little while. Sprinkle some salt. Not too much. Last but not least, silken tofu. Pay attention in here. No more stir too much, as we want to keep its shape. Let's give it a little water, about 3 to 4 tablespoons, because the tofu itself is watery, so we cannot put too much water. Cover it. Let simmer at medium-high heat for about 2 to 3 minutes. And now let's coat it with a tablespoon of mushroom sauce. So it depends on your mushroom sauce. If it is not salty, you can put 1.5 tablespoons. Let's sprinkle some pepper. I'll switch off the stove because it's an induction, so the cooking is still ongoing. Lastly, I will put tapioca mixture to make a thicker sauce, and slowly, tenderly mix them well with spatula. Be careful not to break too much of the tofu. It looks so beautiful. That is looking great. So today we have cooked a tasty dish with a tasteless tofu. Thanks for watching. I'll see you again in my next cooking episode. Bye bye.